If you need to dispute a transaction on your Venmo business account, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate the dispute process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Venmo account. Access your Venmo business account by logging in through the Venmo app or website. Make sure you use the correct credentials associated with your business account. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to your transaction history. Find the specific transaction you wish to dispute by scrolling through your recent transactions or using the search feature. Step 3. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the transaction you want to dispute. This will open the transaction details, where you can view more information about the payment and the involved parties. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling out the required information, review your dispute request for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation that your dispute has been filed. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email or Venmo notifications for updates regarding your dispute. Good luck!